Record. What's going on, Serena? Daddy, tell me a little bit about what's going on right now.
She's pointing at the wall.
Okay. As you can see, there's nothing to look at. What are you looking at? She points over here. There's pictures, but there's nothing really over here. So there's something going on? Do you see somebody? Just a minute ago she did number 2, which she's never been able to do. She looked at the ceiling right up above her. She looked at me, she looked back up, tried to do number 2, couldn't get it, looked back up as if trying to look to see how a person was holding their hand, and then looked back at her hand and did it, as if to show them, yeah, I'm 2. There we go, she's laughing at them. They must be pretty funny up there. They making you laugh up there? Oh, are they tickling you? What are they doing? What kinds of things do they do? I don't see anything. She's
What are you looking for?
picking up on stuff. I don't know what. It's hard because she doesn't really talk, given the extent of her brain injury. Serena. She's trying to mimic them too. Oh, are you 2 years old? Are they making you laugh? Are they showing you that you're 2? Oh my gosh, look at her fingers. What's going on, baby girl? What did she just say? What? Did you just say Nana? And good girl? What'd she say?
Oh,
Nana?
Nana or Grandma.
Is your grandma visiting you? Is she your special angel? Is she still here? Serena? Hey. Serena?
Baby. Hey.
What are you doing? Oh, she's talking to you? Oh. Is she telling you to look up? Just the ceiling. Does she hang out on the ceiling? Does she hang out on the ceiling?
Ask her her name.
Wow, wow. What's her name?
Ask them their name.
Serena, what's your name? Can you tell Serena what your name is? We want to know. What's their name? What's their name, baby girl? Are they still there? You're goofy. Okay, I'm gonna go bye-bye. Tell me bye. I'm gonna turn the camera off. Do you have a friend over there that's gonna leave too? What? You like looking at the computer? What are you thinking about? Did they leave? Did the whatever you were looking at leave? Serena, are they all gone? Yeah, that's a CD. Okay, bye. Bye.
Hi. Goodbye.
Bye. Yeah, she's creeping me out.
Not looking at me.
You are creeping me out. You're looking past Daddy at something crazy.
Point it over there. Point the camera that way.
I did. There's nothing over there. Alrighty. Night-night.